Good evening, dear students. Let's start exercise 3A. Let's see our question number first. Convert each of the following into a fraction in its simplest form. There is given in decimal form and we will convert each numbers in the fraction form. Then after it will be possible, so we will convert fraction form to simplest form. Let's see how we will do. First we have first number 0.8. So how do we convert 0.8 into fraction? First of all, you will write the digits 08 or you can write 8 upon after the decimal place you will write 1 in denominator. Then after the decimal you will see number of digits. So there is after the decimal number of digit is 1. That's why we will add 1 0 in denominator. So what is the fraction form of 0.8? Which is 8 upon 10. Then it will be possible because 8 and 10 both are divisible by 2. Okay, both are divisible by 2. That's why we will divide by 2 in numerator also and in denominator. So 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So now our simplest form of 8 by 10 is 4 upon 5. I hope so you understand. Let's see one more question. This is a decimal form 0.75. So how do we convert decimal to fraction? First of all, you will write the number of digits, how much is given in decimal form, whatever before decimal or after. So 0.75 instead of you can write only 75, it means 75 also. Then upon sign, fraction sign, then decimal place we will write 1 in denominator. Then you can see there is after the decimal number of digits it is 2. Number of digits 1 and 2. That's why we will add 2 0. So now what is the fraction form of decimal 0.75, which is 75 upon 100. And there also you can see 75 and 100 both are divisible by 25. So we will divide by 25 in numerator and denominator both. So 25 3s are 75 and 25 4s are 100. So what is the simplest form of 75 upon 100, which is 3 by 4. Let's see our next question. Our next question is question number 2. Convert each of the following as a mixed fraction. Okay, decimal to mixed fraction. How do we convert? First of all, decimal to fraction. Then after we will convert fraction to mixed fraction. So just now I explain you how we convert decimal to fraction. First of all, we will write the digits, whatever which is a before decimal and after decimal. There is a before decimal 5 and after decimal 6. So we will write 56 upon in denominator decimal place 1. Then after always for denominator for putting the 0, always we will see the after the decimal digits. Okay, we will not see before decimal. Okay, always after the decimal. After the decimal there is a 1 digit, that's why we will put 1 0. Then after we will convert this fraction into simplest form. Both are divisible by 2. So we will divide by 2. We will get 28 upon 5. And you can see here our numerator is greater than its denominator. Where our numerator is greater than from its denominator. So we will do divide. And by divide we will convert in mixed fraction, which you already studied in the previous chapter. By divide, how do you convert into mixed fraction? Content it will become whole number, remainder become numerator, and divisible become your denominator. So like this 5 whole 3 by 5 is your mixed fraction of 56 upon 10. Let's see one more example. Second one, 12.25. So From 12.25 we will convert into fraction, because after the decimal 2 digit, that's why we will add 20. Then both are divisible by 25, so we will divide by 25. Then in convert into simplest form. So what is the simplest form? 49 upon 4. Numerator is greater than its denominator, so by dividing we will convert 12 whole 1 by 4. Let's see our next question. Question number 3. Convert each of the following into like decimal. What is a like decimal? I already explained you. Like decimal, number of the digits after the decimal, it will be equal. So 47 upon 10. So first of all you will convert fraction form into decimal. By dividing also we can, otherwise direct also you can do. By divide, you will divide 47 upon 10, then 10 fours are 40, then 7 minus 0 7. Then because there is a very less reminder, divide will be not possible, so we will add point. Then 10 7 is 70. Otherwise instead of this process you can do directly, because in denominator our 10, that's why you can add insert decimal after the one digit. Okay, you can start from that ones and then you will add the decimal. Why after the only one digit? Because there is our only 10, there is 20, so you will start ones and tens after two digits. Okay, two digits before you will add decimal. You always in mathematics we will start everything from the right side, because of 20, that's why from right side you just leave two digits, then you insert decimal. Like this we will convert decimal from fraction and fraction to decimal. Our next question, question number 4. Convert each of the following into like decimal. So like decimal, number of digits after the decimal, it will be equal. So you know the result, that rule I explain you. After the decimal you can insert number of 0 according to your condition. So here you can see there is 6.5, 16.03, 0.274, 119.4. After the decimal, number of digits will be different. Number of places are different. First digit 1 and second digit 2, third number 3. So highest after the decimal places is 3. That's why we will convert all numbers after the decimal number of places will be 3. So how do you convert? Converting the given decimal into like decimal, we will insert the 0. After the decimal, we will insert the 0 there, because of one digit, that's why we insert 20, because highest number of places is 3, that's why we will make the after the decimal 3 digits. So we will insert 20 and there we will insert 10, and already third number is already have the after the decimal 3 digits, so no need to insert 0. Then last one there after the decimal only one digit, that's why we will insert 20. Now you can see all numbers have after the decimal 3 decimal places. So all these numbers are in the like decimals form. Like this we can do other questions also. Let's see our question number 5. Fill in each of the placeholders with the correct symbol, greater than or less than. Fill in the blanks and we will use greater than or less than. So in decimal numbers, how do you compare the decimal which is greater, which is small? Comparing the whole number part. First of all, you will convert whole number part. Whole number means before decimal. You can see there converting the decimal into like decimal, we get 3.406, 3.46. First you can see there, first one 78.23 and second one 69.85. So whole number part there is 78 and there is 69. So which is greater? 78 is greater in whole number part, that's why our this number is greater. 78 0.23 is greater than 69.85. Then second, because of a second number there is a unlike decimal, so first of all we will convert unlike to like decimal for inserting the 0. Okay, then after you compare the whole numbers, because of there is both whole numbers are equal, there is also 3, there is also 3, then what we'll do, we will compare the tens place digit. After the decimal, tens place digits also equal, both have 4. So then comparing the hundreds place, so there is in hundred place 0 and another number hundreds place is 6. That's why 6 is greater than 0. That's why 3.46 is greater than the 3.406. Okay, 3.406 is smaller than 3.46. I hope so you understand, students. Today's these all question from first to fifth. So today's your homework to do exercise 3A up to question number 5. Thank you. Have a nice day.